Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Nioxin 2 shampoo is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for individuals experiencing thinning hair, as it's specifically formulated to cleanse, treat, and thicken hair while simultaneously invigorating the scalp. This advanced formula works to remove follicle-clogging sebum, fatty acids, and environmental pollutants from your scalp and hair, creating a healthier environment for hair growth and leaving your hair feeling fuller and denser from the very first use. If you're looking for a way to enhance your hair's volume and vitality, this product offers a promising approach to achieving visibly thicker and more abundant-looking locks. Number 5. Volumizing Biotin Shampoo for Thinning Hair. Introducing our Volumizing Biotin Shampoo, specially formulated for thinning hair. Experience an invigorating cleanse that helps to add volume and body. Infused with the refreshing scent of peppermint, this shampoo awakens your senses. It's designed to invigorate your scalp and hair. Enriched with argan, coconut, and olive oils, it deeply nourishes your strands. These natural ingredients help to promote healthier-looking hair. Our formula is vegan and color-safe, ensuring gentle care for your hair. It's free from parabens, silicones, and sulfates for a clean feel. Perfect for fine hair, this shampoo works to create a fuller appearance. Achieve visibly thicker and more voluminous hair with every wash. This convenient 8 fluid ounces bottle provides ample product for regular use. Enjoy the benefits of a revitalized and volumized hair care routine. What we like. This shampoo offers an invigorating peppermint experience. It's formulated with nourishing oils and is vegan and color-safe. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective cleanse that also provides essential nutrients and is suitable for colored hair, this is a great choice. What people say. It really helps with thinning hair and makes it look thicker. I've noticed a significant reduction in hair loss since using this shampoo. My scalp feels healthier and less irritated after using Nioxin 2 shampoo. Number 4. Nioxin Scalp Plus Hair Thickening System Kit. Discover the Nioxin Scalp Plus Hair Thickening System Kit. It's designed to help you achieve fuller, denser-looking hair. Whether your hair is natural, colored, or damaged, this system is formulated to address light to progress thinning. It works to strengthen your hair and boost its density, giving you a visibly thicker appearance. Infused with key ingredients like niacinamide and biotin, it nourishes your scalp and hair from root to tip. Enjoy a 3-month supply, providing consistent care for noticeable and lasting improvements in hair thickness and strength. What we like. This system kit provides a generous 3-month supply. It's designed to strengthen hair and boost density using niacinamide and biotin. If you're committed to a long-term hair thickening regimen and want a comprehensive solution for thinning hair, this extended supply is ideal. What people say. This shampoo is great for thinning hair. It helps to make hair look thicker and fuller. Number 3. Keranique Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Are you struggling with thinning hair? Discover a revolutionary solution designed to bring life back to your locks. This set is your first step towards fuller, healthier-looking hair. Experience the power of advanced hair repair. Our formula works to strengthen each strand from root to tip, promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. Specifically formulated for those experiencing hair thinning. It provides the essential support your scalp needs to encourage robust hair growth and reduce breakage. Enriched with keratin, biotin, menthol, and niacinamide, this set nourishes your hair. These key ingredients work together to fortify and revitalize your strands. Enjoy a lightweight feel without compromising on strength. Our unique keratin amino complex formula strengthens your hair, making it more resilient with every wash. Transform your hair with this potent volumizing set. It's designed to help you achieve the appearance of thicker, fuller, and more vibrant hair. What we like. This set features the keratin amino complex for hair repair and growth. Its lightweight formula strengthens hair effectively. If you are experiencing thinning hair and are looking for a solution that focuses on repairing damage and promoting growth with a focus on keratin, this duo is worth considering. What people say. This shampoo is great for thinning hair. It helps to thicken the hair and make it look fuller. It also helps to reduce hair loss. Number 2. Nioxin Scalp Plus Hair Thickening System Kits. Discover the Nioxin Scalp Plus Hair Thickening System Kits. It's designed for natural, colored, and damaged hair experiencing thinning. Whether your hair is natural, colored, or damaged, this system is formulated to help. It addresses light to progress thinning effectively. Experience strengthened hair and boosted density with our powerful formula. It works to improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. Infused with niacinamide and biotin, these key ingredients work together. They help to fortify your hair from root to tip. Get a complete 1-month supply of this transformative treatment. Start your journey to thicker, fuller-looking hair today. What we like. This system kit offers a 1-month supply for targeted hair thickening. It effectively boosts hair density with niacinamide and biotin. If you want to try out a hair thickening system or need a shorter commitment, this 1-month option is perfect for experiencing its benefits. What people say. It really helps to thicken the hair and make it look fuller. I've noticed a significant reduction in hair loss since I started using this shampoo. My scalp feels healthier and less itchy after using Nioxin 2 shampoo. Number 1. Nioxin System 2 Scalp and Hair Thickening Conditioner. Introducing Nioxin System 2, specifically designed for natural hair experiencing progressed thinning. It's time to give your hair the attention it deserves. Experience a noticeable boost in hair density. This formula works to make your hair appear fuller and thicker from the first use. Enriched with powerful ingredients like niacinamide and biotin, it nourishes your scalp and hair follicles. These essential vitamins support healthier, stronger-looking hair. Enjoy a revitalized scalp that feels refreshed and invigorated. It also imparts a healthy shine, making your hair look as good as it feels. Nioxin System 2 is your partner in achieving thicker, denser-looking hair. Embrace a more confident you with visibly improved hair health. What we like. This conditioner is specifically formulated for natural hair with progressed thinning. It boosts hair density and leaves the scalp refreshed with a healthy shine. If you have natural hair that's experiencing more significant thinning and you desire a revitalized scalp and lustrous hair, this conditioner is designed for you. What people say. This shampoo is great for thinning hair. It helps to make hair look thicker and fuller. I have noticed less hair fall since using this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.